The General Information for Electrical Equipment, or UL, directory is a valuable resource for electrical professionals. It is particularly useful for cross-referencing information alongside the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The UL directory provides cross-references to the NEC and other UL directories. This feature simplifies the process of finding relevant information for specific electrical installations. The directory also includes details on specific products and their applications. This can assist in making informed decisions when selecting equipment for a job. The UL directory is regularly updated. This ensures that users have access to the most current information available. Utilizing the UL directory can aid in ensuring that the electrical installations comply with applicable codes and standards. Beyond the General Information for Electrical Equipment directory, several other UL directories offer specialized information. These directories include, firstly, the UL Electrical Construction Materials directory, secondly, the UL Fire Resistance directory, thirdly, the UL Hazard Dislocations Equipment directory, fourthly, the UL Industrial Control Equipment directory, fifthly, the UL Lighting Equipment directory, sixthly, the UL Marine Electrical Equipment directory, seventhly, the UL Medical Electrical Equipment directory, eighthly, the UL Power Conversion Equipment directory, ninthly, the UL Signal Equipment directory, and tenthly, the UL Wire and Cable directory. These directories cover a diverse range of electrical equipment such as wiring devices, lighting fixtures, motors, transformers, generators, batteries, solar panels, and wind turbines. Using these UL directories can greatly assist in selecting the appropriate equipment for a specific application. They also play a crucial role in ensuring that installations adhere to relevant codes and standards.